Check the scene.
Okay.
Good.
The scene is safe.
The scene is safe. Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay?
No response.
No
You?
response. No. Hey you, yellow t-shirt, call 998 and get the aid and come back.
Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Break your pulse. Count. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No response.
No. Negative pulse.
Negative pulse, negative breath.
Perform.
Perform CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Mabilis. 9.
9, 10, 11,
No.
12, 13.
Count again. 1, 2. Stop, stop, stop. Ang counting is go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
12,
Ha.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
9.
1.
1.
30 lahat yun. And blow. Stop. Use the CPR mask. Use the mask. Okay. Seal mo lahat yan. Stop. I-seal mo. Cover mo lahat ng baby's face. Yan. Tapos lagyan ito. Yan. Blow. Continue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2.
Stop. Continue. Seal. Seal.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
19, 20. 6, 7, 8, 9.
10,
9, 3. Okay? Five na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
9, 5.
5.
Oh, blow. So, yeah.
Feel and
Yeah. Anong pulse yan?
logical
Brachial.
breakout.
Brachial.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Negative, positive pulse, positive breath. Perform recovery position.
Dapat ang head ni baby is going down to prevent
To prevent
aspiration.
aspiration.
Para hindi pumunta yung mga dugo, mga laway sa lungs. Okay, dapat nakaganon. Okay, and while you're waiting for the AED or for the rescue team, the baby is not responding again. Check again for baby's life. Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. 1, 8, 9, 10. Negative pulse, negative breathing. Perform CPR. Continue.
1, 2,
At dumating na ang AED. Open the AED. Attach the pads. Attach the pads. So, saan ang isa?
here and then back.
Okay, don't touch the patient. Analyzing. Analyzing. Shock is advised. Please press the shock button.
Clear.
Continue. Charging. Continue CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Analyzing. 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 Don't touch the patient. Positive pulse, negative breathing. Perform rescue breath. Paano yung... Makinig ka. Perform rescue breath. May pulso na si baby pero hindi humihinga. Magbigay ka ng hininga. Stop. Use the CPR mask. Stop. Paano ba yung rescue breath sa baby? Magbigay ka ng isang hininga. Mag-pause ka ng 3 seconds. You have to do it around 20 to 30 times in 2 minutes. 1, 2, 1.
1, 2, 2.
10,
1, 2, 10.
20,
1 to 20. 1 to 30.
up to 60.
1 to 50. 1 to 60.
Check for life. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse, positive breathing. Perform recovery position. Very good. How do you rate yourself? Good, not good?
Not good.
Why? Ano sa tingin mong you can improve on?
Sir?
Anong dapat mong ini-improve?
Yung parang push.
Huh? Bakit? You're going too fast?
Yeah.
Fast ang counting mo? Tama. I agree with you. So, kabisaduhin mo lang yung rhythm ba? Ha, ha, ha. Staying alive, staying alive. Okay. And then, aside from that, I can nag-study ka?
Sir?
Nag-practice ka? Nag-study ka? Hindi. Hindi?
Yung ano lang, regular lang. Pero
Ah.
CPR hindi.
Talaga? Galing mo.
Nung ano lang.
Magaling ka. I like it. Next.